Hello friends, how you doing? This is a little quick update on the sweet potatoes that I put in. I think this one right here. I think that one was the first one I did on the video, and you can see that I've done more since then. These are just some green onions that I let tiny bit of water in there, just keeps them good, and they went dry so they're all droopy. But you can extend your green onions a little bit doing that. So as these get long, clip them, put them in here, and then they just grow their own water. So each of these, if I put these in the ground, they'll grow out to be like 5 or 6 sweet potatoes after it is all said and done. I think I might right now use my garden space for something different than sweet potatoes. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll find a different place for my sweet potatoes, but I'm considering going to some abandoned or public land and plant these just kind of in the borders. And so like it might be some emergency foods for the future. I don't know. Maybe I'll do that. I'll probably just find a spot on my property to put it, which I don't mind it overgrowing and vining out. But that is an idea, right? They used to call that guerrilla gardening, where you just go out and plant plants out in the area, in a place that may not be yours. I wish cities and communities would do that, right? Build a food forest park. Like, why would you not plant apples? No good reason that I can think of. But anyway, that's what it looks like. You can go back to my other videos and see whenever it was that I did that. It's been a couple, maybe a few months. Maybe January. It's now the beginning of April. But that's what it looks like at this point. Sweet potato slips. I did this because last year I couldn't buy any sweet potato slips at all. They were all sold out. Looks like I can cut some more. Cool, guys. Have a great day.